Hey guys, here with another Coach review, and this time this is the Coach zip card case, and I purchased this from the outlet, the Coach outlet online, and I got this thing back in I want to say like October, and I forgot I had it because it was sitting up there on the shelf. But here it is, and I think they are currently out of stock because this right here sold like really fast. But here it is, and like I said, it is the zip card case, and it retails for $98, and I got it for like $34.30 with taxes and shipping and all that old stuff. And this is the style number 6303 if you're looking for this. Now they had it in the all black, and then they also had it in the signature print or whatever, which I wish I would have got the signature print also, but you know, black will go with everything. So here it is. So here's the front, and you have two slots right here in the front, and then on the back you can put your ID, your driver license, right here in this little pocket. And then you'll unzip it. You got that stuffed. And then here is the inside. And you can put probably some keys. You probably can put some lip chap in there. Trying to see something. You can put a Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer will fit. Not saying that you would probably carry that in there, but that does fit. And it doesn't make it bulky or anything. It's actually flat, so that does fit, just in case you're wondering. But you can put like some lip chap. You probably could put your keys in there, or you can attach your keys on the end of this if you want to. And then you can put, like, you know, money. And like I said, you already got two slots right here for your cards. And then you have another slot right here on the outside. See, here's the zip part, and then here's another part right there. So you really got 1, 2, 3, and then you have this one right here in the back, and then you have the inside. And then take this off, because this unsnaps right here, and you have a nice little chain. So you can attach it either to your bag, or you can my hand kind of big, but you probably, if you got like smaller hands, you probably can, you know, have it, you know, hanging like that or whatever. But it's super cute with the gold hardware. That is really cute. But like I said, you can attach this to your bag, either the inside or the outside, or you can just wear it like this. To say you just run into the store or whatever just to go grab something, or if you're going out or whatever, you don't want to take a big bag or whatever, you can just take this with you and just have your little important items in there. But I just want to show you guys this. This is super duper cute. So cute. And like I said, this is called the zip card case. And the style number is 6303, just in case you're interested in that. And I'm sure they'll get it back in stock, but right now they are out of stock from what I saw, because this one sold out really fast. But I think this is the cutest little thing. And you can also put this in like a little small, this will fit inside of a small crossbody also. Let me get mine. Like I have the little Nolita. I think this is the 15. So this will fit. That'll fit in there, just in case, you know, you're wondering. So there's that. Yep, so just want to show you guys that really fast. I had forgot about it, so here it is. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.